Kilalanin natin ang official New Look Complete lineup ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters this PBA 49th Governors Cup. Point guards, Adrian Nocum, Rising Star, 6 feet, 167 pounds, 25 years old, 12.7 points, 3.7 rebounds, 3 assists, 31% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Andre Karakut, Rising Star, 5'8", 180 pounds, 28 years old, 11.2 points, 2.5 rebounds, 5.1 assists, 39% 3-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Anton Asistio, 5'10", 175 pounds, 29 years old, 5.5 points, 1.4 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 27% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Felix Lemeti, rookie, PBA 49th 8th draft pick, 6'1", 170 pounds, 25 years old, 2.7 points, 0.5 rebounds, 0.9 assists, 62% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his 2022-2023 Southern Utah season averages. Shooting guards, Gian Mamuyak, All-Star player, 6'2", 165 pounds, 25 years old, 12.2 points, 3.3 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 17% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Sean Ildefonso, 6'2", 198 pounds, 27 years old, 6.4 points, 1.8 rebounds, 0.3 steals, 24% 3-point shooter, 50% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Frances Escandor, rookie, PBA 49 13th draft pick, 6'2", 170 pounds, 22 years old, 6.2 points, 3.4 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 1.3 steals, 28% 3-point shooter, 64% free throw shooter in his ongoing MPBL 6th season averages. Small forwards, Jonard Clarito, Rising Star, 6'2", 187 pounds, 28 years old, 11.6 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 34% 3-point shooter, 69% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Gabe Norwood, team captain, 6'6", 190 pounds, 39 years old, 3.2 points, 4.3 rebounds, 2 assists, 16% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Ayon sa source na to, ay gusto daw sanang isa ni Coach Yang Yao ang dating niyang sharpshooter player na si Jeff Chan, kaso lang daw ay full ang kanyang lineup sa ngayon. Kaya't kung makakapag-antay pa nga daw si Negro si Sniper, ay kung may ma-injured nga daw sa mga player nila ay pwede niya siyang isign as reserve player. Jeff Chan, 6'2", 185 pounds, 41 years old, 5 points, 1.1 rebounds, 1.1 assists, 1.1 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 42% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Power forwards, Leonard Santillan, star player, 6'4", 210 pounds, 28 years old, 18.6 points, 9 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 34% 3-point shooter, 58% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Mark Borboran, 6'4", 185 pounds, 40 years old, 6 points, 3 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 27% three-point shooter, 92% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Kaylan Chongson, rookie, PBA 49th 7th draft pick, 6'5", 204 pounds, 32 years old, 13.5 points, 9.1 rebounds, 2.6 assists, 1.1 steals, 0.6 blocks, 27% three-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his 2021-2022 Taiwan T1 League averages. Nick DeMusis, reserve player, 6'4", 205 pounds, 33 years old, 3.5 points, 2.2 rebounds, 0.5 steals, 44 field goal percentage, 67% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Centers, Aaron Fuller, Governor's Cup import, 6'6", 235 pounds, 34 years old, 6.5 points, 3.8 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 53 field goal percentage, 80% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Mexico Liga Cisnova season averages. Bo Belga, veteran star, 6'5", 280 pounds, 38 years old, 17.6 points, 8.5 rebounds, 5.3 assists, 36% three-point shooter, 59% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Kit Datu, sophomore, 6'8", 220 pounds, 28 years old, 5.7 points, 3.5 rebounds, 1 block, 38 field goal percentage, 71% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Luis Villegas, comeback player, 6'7", 215 pounds, 27 years old, 13.1 points, 8.1 rebounds, 4 assists, 1.9 steals, 0.8 blocks in his UAAP 85th season averages. Ito ang official new look complete lineup ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters this PBA 49th Governors Cup. Sa tingin nyo mga kabubbles, makakapasok na kaya ulit sa playoffs ang bagong lineup na ito ni Coach Yeng? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.